The freezer can be here.
The freezer?
No,
What do you think can be here, Kamsi?
I don't remember the name.
You can't remember the name. Come on.
Washing machine.
Yes, washing machine can be there. Hey guys, I am Flo of allnigerianrecipes.com. Today I'll be sharing something different with you. I am in my kitchen. Yeah. So, my plan is to take you on a journey with me as I buy all the kitchen appliances and utensils for this kitchen. So once everything is ready, I need to buy a fridge, I need to buy a cooker, microwave, forks, spoons, bowls, washing machine, everything you can think of that needs to be in a kitchen, with special consideration to a Nigerian kitchen, because yes, we equip our kitchen differently. There are some things we use in our kitchen that people from other countries do not put in their kitchen. So I'll be sharing everything with you, telling you how I buy those things, the things I consider. For instance, when I'm buying a cooker, what things do I consider, what is important to me and what is not. You see that thing over there? It needs to be fixed. Yeah, it fell out when they were trying to fit that cupboard up there. So this kitchen is not so big, but I tried as much as possible with my engineering experience to make the best use of the space available to me. So some of the things are already in place. For instance, the cupboards are already in place. That one is the water heater for the sink. Sink is already in place. We have 2 bowls and 1 tray for the sink. It's really good, you know, when you wash here for a sink, when you wash here, you want to rinse here, and then you want to dry it a little bit here. But I also, up here, I also have a plate rack which I already installed. That's a mock plate that we use to get the perfect clearance between the two. The top one is for cups, while the lower one is for plates. And this tray here is where the water goes into. So the water drips from the plates and the cups into this one. When it's full, or when you feel like it's got some water in there, you take it down and pour it into the sink. Then this space over here is for a washing machine. The piping work is in this cupboard here. They're going to open some holes here to pass the pipe over here. This one is the extractor, which will be installed up here above the cooker. And so that means this space down here is for the cooker. I'm going to buy the 6-burner cooker. You know, this is a Nigerian family, so lots of cooking going on sometimes when we have family and friends over. So you need the biggest cooker possible for my kitchen. I have the space for it, so why not? And then over there in that cubicle like something, I'm going to put the biggest fridge and freezer that can fit in there. You know, our food stores well in the freezer, so if you're equipping a Nigerian kitchen, you need a very big freezer to store all those soups, stews, moi, all these things. You cook in bulk to save time and store everything in the freezer, and you're sorted for the next 1 month. No heavy cooking, just to warm stuff and prepare rice and all that. And up here, this cupboard that is on this one will be above somewhere here, and the extractor and some cupboard, another cupboard will be here. And up there I'll put an air conditioner over here. Some people always ask, why put an air conditioner in a kitchen? And I say, why not? The kitchen is the hottest part of the house. So I don't want to be sweating like a Christmas goat whenever I'm cooking. You know, you want the best environment when you're doing this hard work of cooking. So yeah, it's really worth it. Yeah, but if you have one point to note, if you have an AC in your kitchen, you need to put an extractor. Extractor is really important. You see, I'm already sharing why I put some things in my kitchen, so that all the fumes, all the smell of the food will not be in the kitchen. It needs to, most of them need to go out, because you know, when you have an AC in the kitchen, that means the windows and the doors are always closed. So that's all I'm going to share with you for now. if anybody is a vendor for any kitchen appliance, what brands do you recommend for me? What shops or online shops do you know where I can buy Nigerian kitchen appliances and utensils in Lagos, Nigeria? I'll be so happy if you can share them with me in the comments below, because the more the more suggestions I get, the more I'll choose. I'm really meticulous person when it comes to choosing my kitchen appliances and utensils. Something as simple as a bowl, I'll be choosing and I always like a color coordination for my kitchen. For instance, I like white stuff if possible, so that everything will be so color coordinated. So share with me which websites, which shops, which brand of cooker have you used, what are the advantages of buying them over the other one. Please help me out here. That's why we're on this journey together. I mean, you can see right here that I need as much help as possible. So you guys help me out in choosing the best, because I don't want, it's like I use gas cooker as an example all the time. But yeah, I'm particular about cookers, because I come to people's houses, I see new cookers that are bringing out this yellow flame that leaves black soot on pots. No, I hate that. You get some cookers with ovens that don't have dual heating, you know, stuff like that. I mean, let me know. The rack, I bought it from outside Nigeria. I didn't buy it here because I couldn't see it. Even the extractor as well, I bought it from outside Nigeria, because the ones they have here are so big. I don't want those big funnel like ones. There are some that are so big with like a funnel. I don't want that. I want something that will be hidden in the cupboard, that when you come here you won't even know that it's and this is the smallest, cutest, most compact extractor in the market. The rest of the house is still, the painters are at work. Everything will soon be ready. I'll need to put curtains. I'll need to put dining set here. That's a sink already. So, but I wouldn't want to bore you with the decoration for the rest of the house, because you know, it's all about my kitchen, all about Nigerian cooking. But if you guys want to see me talk about how I choose curtains and all that, yeah, but kitchen it is. It's all about the kitchen. At the kitchen, it's all about the kitchen. Oga, good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
This is our painter.
Yes. So I want to use white
for this
for the burglar
protector
and
the door.
The kitchen door.
Oh my God.
So
who will be cleaning it? Me?
I.
No, every Saturday or every month or whatever. How often it's supposed to be cleaned?
Anytime it's very not complicated.
Oga, you sure this white will work?
It will.
Everything will be so white.
Everywhere will be white. I want everywhere to be white. White house, white kitchen.
No, I don't think so. Maybe we should use this color so that it matches this door here.
Chocolate.
Did you buy this color?
Chocolate.
Yeah, please. I think I prefer this color, so that everything will be the same color.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
I can't imagine what white will be like on a kitchen door. How about them man who had to tell them na door?
No, the red oil.
I am the red oil.
Yes.
Only a big you go.
I want you most net.
You will not jump my oh, Nando, but don't you book in? But I need red oil, and a red oil, like Banks said.
Chocolate here.
Paint here, match this door.
Chocolate.
Match this door. Maybe either this one, but in can use this one. Yeah, because in can black. So this color, I match. You paint in a white. Because I'm Nancy. You paint a silver the other side. But I paint in a white. On our way home, we decided to go to an LG shop here. So we're inside an LG shop. This is the one I like. It will fit perfectly in that compartment in my kitchen. Well,
Hello, mommy.
Put the water here.
Come see Auntie and Chica then they come.
I have flown for. I'm target once now. Okay. Yeah, put extra 50,000
For them.
for better thing now.
You will go there,
The leg again. We're going to go there. Cow 247.
they will spoil it.
Don't they got spoil it? Cow 275.
Latest model of that one.
Latest model of and you heard the picture.
Now for asanwa LG. Asanwa LG. If I never. Oh, so no.
Here.
Okay, me penny.
You can still connect, as in with your pipe, outside here, to the back of your fridge, and then wire water from there.
And my compartment free don't container there.
This one on a discount, Kita, because this one 247, 275. This is supposed to be higher. It's supposed to be like 300 and 400. We just brought this one. I was it first day on Monday.
So on a discount, Kita, till when?
Look at all the whole ones that has water dispenser. This is 400,000. This is 410. This is 433. You can see. So 4.
Okay, we put the freezer self. Freezer and care. Oh yeah, the freezer called fridge. Oh, just fridge.
Freezer.
Where is the freezer now?
The small side.
Which one? Eba.
Yeah.
Man, no, where have they any kind of separation for it? I don't think no gonna adequate freeze.
It will freeze because
this thing looks like a vegetable compartment to me.
It will freeze.
Because
You can
usually
still use it as vegetable compartment, but it's still free.
okay, let me.
Because every fridge must have a small freezer.
Okay, this one is freezer throughout. This one, but let me show you why this thing will not freeze like that. You see this one? Yeah, because it has a separate door. You see, but that one is in one door. It can't be fridge. It can't be freezer. Yeah, can be. It may be the vegetable compartment. That one. For ya, total no frost refrigerator. Heat free. Moist balance crisper. Inverter linear compressor. Thin water. There's nothing like freezer here. So this one is a stand freezer. Yeah, I like Chaho. The idea of pouring water here. I mean, I don't like the idea of pouring water. Like, after some time, I'll feel like the water is dirty. I mean, you'll be cleaning this, but on which a lot of pieces and bits and pieces that Iman Sachatam. You understand? No, I mean, I like the idea of a dispenser, but like here, all these tiny bits and pieces of the water reservoir.
You won't even know. When you open it, you won't know they have tiny pieces of reservoir there.
You can't put your sponge inside there to
Why
wash
not?
it very
I've
well.
opened it before. I've opened it before because when they are doing the practical, the first time the fish come in, they show us first.
You sure? Okay, let me see.
So I can't really open it now because one, I need 2 hands to do it. You know, you have to open the whole pole, even this side. Let me show you. Are you seeing here? If you open here, open here, open here, open here, then this go up.
It's even more complicated than I thought. Yeah.
It's not. This is where you put your water from. You understand?
Okay, to wash it, you have to open it.
Open
Yeah,
this
open
and
everything.
this one. Why not?
Exactly.
If this one has gone up, this one, this one will go up.
Go.
So to push it out.
Anyway, let's buy this one. I like this one. Yeah. Where is the lock? I saw a key there. Yeah. I mean, the only difference between this one and this one is the dispenser. Let's face it. And nobody has got time to be washing that dispenser, to be honest. Maybe
dispenser, you can connect with your dispenser pipe. You understand? That's what I said. It's 2 types. Even if you don't want
okay, don't want to use this one. Yes. Oh, you use the external one.
Yes, you can use it and connect it to the pipe from the back of this and then connect it.
Does the dispenser pipe come with the fridge? I have to buy it and then find someone that knows how to install.
Washing machine. So get the difference.
That's 7 kg.
But this one is 7 kg.
But this one is just like a manual bottle. It's not as simple as this one.
This one has you see this one?
This one
it has a digital display. That's why. When it has a digital display, they add some money on it.
How much of digital display?
It matters.
It is the latest model of this one.
168,000. And this one is how much?
120.
120. Don't be surprised. The only difference between the two is the capacity.
The capacity is the same.
Oh, the same. Oh, just that this digital display. That's why they put that. Go. Oh, there we go. The LGI. I like their product anyway. It's sleek and nice. Like now nice we go chop. Who nice app. No, these ones are too big for the space I want to. These ones are for people who have like a separate laundry room. Yeah.
You deliver.
Oh, so the first time I couldn't.
But you can still see bus outside that can carry it.
You can still see bus outside, so now they deliver them. Mosquito away. Where?
Mosquito away.
Really? Yes. It's kind of anti-mosquito, no? It must be anti-mosquito. You see? Yes, look at that. It says it has ultrasonic repellent technology, which means it zings and pings and does some kind of noise so that mosquitoes will run away. Yes?
It's too much.
49.
Why are you so happy?
She's in a shop. All these ovens are not dual heating. All of them. Why do they make non-dual heating ovens for Nigerian markets? Why is that? All of them.
Where can I buy this one?
All these single. The only place you find dual. No, I know, but not everybody wants to buy big ovens.
Well, this one is out of stock.
Okay. That's the only. Why is it that this is the only dual heating oven that you have in this LG company? Why can't you? What if somebody wants to buy these smaller cookers there, the 4 burners? They should be able to make all of them dual heating so that you can choose. Yeah? Look at this one, 319,000 just for an oven. And the only difference between this one and say this one is the dual heating. Okay, even this one has dual heating. This one has dual heating. Yeah, it has dual heating, this one. And this is good. Maybe that guy is there. Oh, come on. Unfortunately, he has hot plates in the middle.
Yes.
No, you don't do that in Nigeria. Where is the light?
That is why you should.
Which light would you use to use this in Nigeria? These two are practically useless. You people should send something that is fit for the market it's going to. Until we have 24-hour light in Nigeria, this thing is useless for a Nigerian. Unless the person has a lister, generator. No, all these companies should stop doing this to us. They should stop. Okay, like this one. Let me see if it's dual heating. You see, again, it's not dual heating. Once you have one knob for the up and down, it's not dual heating. It's not. What is this for? The second one?
Yes,
because it doesn't have the rack.
This one? Or this one?
This one.
This one is for grilling meat or fish. Like.
Oh, so that it will be chicken nap.
Turning.
Ah,
That's
okay.
what I'm telling you. That this one has.
Yeah. Yeah, I get it.
I'm telling you that this is the second copy of this one.
Yeah.
So it makes life easier. But this doesn't have this one doesn't have.
So at the end of the day, we chose this fridge freezer, this washing machine, and this cooker. There goes my plans of buying a 6-burner or even a 5-burner cooker, because those 2 hot plates in the middle I may never use. Don't forget to give me your suggestions of where I will get all the things I need for my kitchen. Bye bye. See you soon. You keep stuff.
Keep the thing for clean.
For cleaning, yes. The cleaning stuff like the bleach, like the dishwashing, like the sponge. Yeah. Yeah.
And this one is for example.
Yes. Example of plate. That's good. So where will the plates be?
Over here.
And the cups up.
Yes. So what is this one here? Over here.
This is a
Radiador.
no.
It's not a radiator. Come on. Come on. Keep guessing.
It's a light.
Yes, there's lights there. And what else?
Wind.
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 Yes, see.
down.
Yeah.
It's here.
Uh-huh.
It's here. We keep the things for cook. We put
Uh-huh.
fry pan. We put it up here.
Yes.
Yes.
And what does it do?
We cool down the food.
Cool down the food. Oh my God.
We can only for if we do like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we can only for watch.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's from there. Yes. Don't touch. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay, we don't-
Yeah.
If
We
we
don't
do
do
like
like
this, that's light.
Uh-huh.
And the light.
And this is from the wind.
And then it's an extractor. That's what it's called. So it takes the smoke, the smell of the food, and puts it outside. It sucks everything so that the food will not smell in the house. At least most of the, it takes out most of the smell.